Okay, in this activity number 5534, we're going to do performing an initial switch configuration. The objective is to perform an initial switch configuration on the Catalyst 2960 switch. This gives us the information that we're going to go into and work with, which will be all of this stuff highlighted in blue. So what we're going to do is we're going to start out with, we've got to put a console cable connecting between here and here. So we'll click on this, click on the console cable, click here, click console, and then we'll come over to the PC, click there, then we'll give it a second to do its thing, and while we're doing that we'll bring our information back up for us to follow. So then we're going to go into the PC and we're going to hit desktop, we're going to hit terminal, we're going to hit OK, and now we're into the area we need to be into in order to do the next few steps, which is we have to hit enter just so that we can get things started. And now we're going to go in and we're going to type in enable. We're going to type in configure terminal. And then we're going to do the hostname customer switch. And I want to make sure that as we do all this, we don't wind up with something telling us that we have an error somewhere, because then we have to go back through and fix it. So the next thing I'm going to do is we're going to go enable Cisco password. And then we're going to do an enable secret Cisco password. And then we're going to go into the line console, number 0. And then we're going to type in password Cisco. We're going to type in login. And then we're going to type in the word exit. So that will get us out of that area so that we can go on to the next area. So now we're going to go into the VTY. We're going to do VTY line VTY 015. And then we're going to go password Cisco. And then we're going to do login again. And we will do exit. And then now we're going to get into the interface VLAN. So we're going to type that in so that it knows that that's where we want to go next. We're going to do the IP address with the subnet mask. We're going to type in no shut so that we make sure it's on. And then we're going to type exit to get out of that area again. Okay. Now once we get that done, we will go into the configure the default gateway. So we're going to type in another IP address for the gateway. and here we have an invalid input. So what we're going to do is we're going to back it up. We have IP default dash gateway 1.1 invalid input. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click the check the results button to verify the configuration, and it's going to tell us that we did not complete it, so it's going to ask us to close the window and try again. So we're going to close the window, we're going to try again, and what we're going to do is we're going to go through the first few parts, and we will start with the same information we started before. So we will hit paste, type in configure terminal, and to be honest with you, I think that they give you the wrong information the first time through this, so that you will have to go back through and try something else because they gave you the wrong information. They want to make sure you understand how to do it right once the information's been added incorrectly. So we're just going to go through and re-put the stuff in like it asked us to do and see what happens. Now pretty quick it will no longer allow us to add anything else, and when it does that, then we'll know that we have corrected the error. The last time I did this, it stopped me right here, or the next one, I don't remember which. Might have been after the VTY, I'm not sure, but we'll just keep on going, see what happens. I'll do the IP address. Whoops. Excuse me. The IP address with the default gateway. And then we type in no shut. Basically, they type in no shutdown. And then we're going to go into the default gateway. Now we'll click the results button again. And we did it right, so we're all done.